Menteri Rangba ka Jilla Conrad Sangma mentakasngi ula penpau ya gajing sengongo ya ke Menteri ki kampisa tingka jang sorkar India kan Nirmala Sitharaman na kabenta kamang tingka jong snem arjar arpuar hadu snem arjar arpulai na kabenta kari berok kawai. Conrad Sangma ula ong bakate kamang tingka kay stream dur berki kampen roy jang ke sorkar Meghalaya ban kentiu ya kapaha kamiat jang kisamla ki kentai bat kinong rep.
I must take this opportunity to thank the Honorable Prime Minister and the Honorable Donor Minister and the Honorable Finance Minister for starting the PM Divine program. And this is a program that is aimed towards livelihood activities for the youth and women by filling in the various gaps in the various sectors. So about 1,500 crores has been allocated for a beginning. And I'm sure that much more will come in the future. And as Meghalaya, we will also be proposing our budgets, our proposals to the Government of India, especially to do with the new administrative city construction for Shillong.